The theme for your first stakeout is noodles.
Oh, yes.
Your 45 minutes starts right now.
Let's go!
It's on, it's on.
The old one's in the back.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Good morning. Is it okay if I ask you how much you paid for your groceries and I will pay you more?
$216.
$216.
Might have to step back.
Okay, can I give you $250?
Sure.
Wow.
Hey.
I have to go back to my house.
That was
I know,
good.
I'm so sorry. I'll pay you $260
Wow.
for your time.
That's a loaded cart.
Thank you.
Hey.
This thing's heavy. Bye, guys.
Go.
Finished. Steak. If I want to put steak on noodles, milk. I got eggs. Oh my God. Whipping cream.
Ooh, we have lots of bread here. Oh, tortillas. Lemon yogurt. Oh, wait a minute. Tomato sauce. New York strip steak. Nothing resembling pasta.
See you guys later!
May your wheels fall off.
Okay, a little Caesar salad mix. Corn, we got some cheese, bacon, some vegetables is always good. Sausage, nice, and we got some pork. Some Italian dressing. I don't see anything with noodles in here. Let's see, can I make noodles? Corn tortillas.
Yes.
Oh, all right, wow.
140. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Oh, I got a bowl too.
Good
Heck
luck,
yeah.
Chef.
I got cinnamon toasters, chicken stir fried. I got stir fry noodles. Oh, beyond the sausages for days. Garlic bread. That is some bologna if I ever seen it.
Red peppers, carrots, grape tomatoes for color. I gotta make this look beautiful.
I gotta say, I'm curious to know how all of those garnishes are gonna play out.
Carrots and
because
tomatoes and stuff,
Because you pulled them out of a salad.
Yeah.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finished.
Good job, everybody.
I went back twice, had no noodles, so I have to do a zoodle, the zucchini noodles, a little bit of bacon. I did a zesty balsamic vinaigrette, corn, and then the crispy tortillas on top for garnish.
Noodle. I made a German spätzle, and in honor of the way Germans love their sauce, it has some sour and some sweet, and it's with some sauteed spinach and grilled steak.
The noodles, they're chow mein noodles that I found in a frozen bag. I also put some fried broccoli florets and toasted garlic sesame seeds on top.
These are actually tofu-based noodles, the shirataki noodles, and the broth is infused with star anise, ginger, chicken stock.
The chef that is leaving today is Greg.
This time you can only purchase your groceries from one shopper. No going back. But I will let you look in the bags before you buy them. Yes. Are you ready to find out what you're cooking?
Yeah,
Yes.
let's go.
The theme for your second stakeout is Ballpark Bite.
Yeah.
Something you'd eat in the stands at the game, maybe something portable, something snacky. Your 45 minutes starts right now. All right.
Let's go.
100 is good.
Thank you so much. Gotta go, guys.
Bye.
Pie crust, cinnamon toast, eggs, butter, got some bacon. Oh, chicken tenders. That's definitely ballpark food.
More than doubling my money.
And I will scooch on out of here.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Coming in, coming in. We got some giant pasta shells. Oh, I can probably use this string cheese. Ketchup, unsweetened, organic, basil. I love it. This is a good, oh, who does not love to deep fry these things right here? Got some eggs, you need that. Got some grounded up Italian meat. Oh, got some, oh, this one, oh, one fell, but that's perfect.
Yeah. Here we go. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thanks. I'm gonna go carry this. Pretzels, ice cream, more ice cream,
She's gotta go sweet now.
marshmallows, cookie dough, chocolate frosting, and some sprinkles.
Oh, she's gonna make a sundae.
Oh.
I'm gonna do some fried cookie dough
You
balls.
gotta finish up.
Deep fried Brussels sprouts. These are deep fried really fast.
No,
How's it look?
my oven wasn't closed all the way. Fudge.
It's not cooked through.
For my baked cookies, Plan C is a no-go.
How are you doing over there, Allison?
Panicking.
I'm going with Plan B. Plan B is the ones in the pan.
Too simple, not what I imagined in my head.
I'm thinking on my toes of what I can do different. I see the marshmallows.
I'm plating some marshmallows that I heated up and coating them in pretzels as well. Not happy.
1 minute left.
Trying to make sure chicken tenders get enough cheese.
We're gonna garnish with the Brussels.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey.
That's it.
Yeah, so I have a sweet Italian string cheese, stuffed corn dog, and I have a lemon basil ketchup aioli.
Tell us what you made, Chef.
I made deep fried chicken tenders with house fries and a Monterey Jack cheese sauce.
Today I did a fried cookie pretzel. I have a marshmallow ball with pretzels as well with a
Okay.
coffee chocolate sauce on the side.
All right, chefs, well, you definitely each offered your own unique interpretation of a ballpark bite.
Unfortunately, the chef who's going to be leaving us is Allison.
Congratulations. You know what's at stake for this final stakeout? 10 grand. Enough for a year's worth of groceries.
Yep.
Now, in this round, you can buy food from as many shoppers as you like. Isn't that great?
Oh, it's
Yes.
amazing. Amazing.
You can go through their bags. The only thing is you can only buy 5 ingredients. Your final stakeout is layered dessert.
Nice.
And your time starts right now.
Coming in smoking hot.
Oh, they're running? You got long legs, sir.
What are you looking for?
Definitely dairy for dessert,
Some dairy.
right? What about you?
Something sweet. If it ain't sweet, I'm gonna make it sweet.
Layered dessert.
I would go trifle.
Trifle is one of my favorite desserts. The only problem with that is that you need something that has structure.
A cake or a cookie
Yeah.
or layered potato chips. I don't know.
Hi. Can we stop you for a second? I would like to buy your strawberries off of you for 20 bucks.
I got two packages.
I just want one. Do you
All
want
right,
another?
yeah. Want to split? 10-10?
Sure.
Awesome. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Did you want anything else?
Thank you.
Awesome of you. Thank you. Oh my God, you have ice cream.
Bananas, ice cream that's going in the freezer, some strawberries, some berries, and some peanut butter.
Frozen whipped cream, strawberries, blueberries, chocolate, and cream cheese.
This is good to go. Right on.
I'm making crumbs out of the cookies because I don't want to have them so fine that you can't taste or see the layer.
2 minutes left. You got to finish up. That's applause, Arizona.
Time to start layering this thing. Do the peanut butter first.
I have only a limited amount of cheesecake filling, but I think with the chocolate and the berries, I'm not too worried.
Do you want those chocolate sandwich cookies more with a cheesecake and fruit or with bananas and peanut butter?
That's a tough one.
They're both
Actually,
good.
Ice cream in there. I have to make it presentable and layer one layer at a time. Mush that down so we can get some good stuff in here.
$10,000 on the line. 1 minute.
You want layers? I'm giving you layers.
Cooked bananas on top.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So I made a banana split parfait. I got some chocolate cookies, bananas, some strawberries, and raspberries.
I made a cheesecake parfait with a berry compote. I got cream cheese, frozen whip, blueberries, strawberries, chocolate cream-filled cookies, and chocolate.
All right, chefs, the judges have actually made a decision. You both had very similar ingredients, especially running into the store and getting those sandwich cookies. But you made very different desserts. The winning chef that came out on top is Steven.
I cannot believe it. Oh,
Steven, you brought those layers, and ultimately, your dessert was the most craveable. I think we're gonna all go home and eat a jar of peanut butter now.
I'm bringing home $10,000, baby.